Hello everyone, in this video we will be removing a specific element from this array, and this function here is just a getter function. You shouldn't even pay attention to it. And the target element that we want to remove is this number 12. And to do that we have two methods, as you might remember in Solidity. One of them is delete, the other one is pop, but the delete method is not actually removing the target element, it's only forcing it to return to its default value. So if I use delete on number 12, it will not remove it, it will just make it 0. So delete for that reason is not useful. And the other method is pop, and pop is only removing the last element of the array. So it means we will use pop method, but we need to add some extra code so that we can remove not the last element, but the element that we want inside the array. And to do that, first we will discover how to do it in the unordered way. And in the unordered way, this is the logic that we will implement. First we will grab the array, and then we will copy the value of last element to the place of target element, and we will have two 15s once we copy, and then once we copy and paste we will have two 15s, and then we will be removing this extra 15 at the end by using pop. So to do that, let's now say function remove 1 and external and my array. Just let's find the index 0, 1, 2 is equal to my array. What's the index number of 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that I just need to say my array dot pop, and that's it. And here of course you can use function parameters, and also here you can use my array length -1. They will both be fine, but just to make it easy to understand, I use those numbers, and this will work. Now we can move on the ordered way. And in the ordered way, this is the logic that we will implement. First we will grab the array, and then what we will do is that we will grab the element on the right, copy its value and paste it to the place of the element on the left. And this is our target element, number 12. It means that we will start this operation from this place, and first we will copy 13 to the place of 12, then we will copy 14 to the place of 13, and at the end we will have something like that. But we cannot copy number 16 to the place of number 15, so the loop must stop at this point. Okay, and then we can use pop method to remove the last element of the array. And to do that we will need to use a for loop. So function remove 2 external, and here for uint e is equal to, so you know we don't need to start this for loop from the beginning, we can start from the target element, and target element is 0, 1, 2, so we can start from 2, and e is smaller than my array dot length and e plus plus, and then here I can just say my array e is equal to my array e plus 1. That's how we copy the value of element on the right to the place of the element on the left. But yeah, I mean, once we do this for loop, once this for loop finishes, we can just remove the last element. But if I leave it like that, this will throw an error, because here, as you can see, what is the maximum number that the e can take? As you can see, my array.length is 6, so it means that the e can maximum be 5. And imagine I put 5 here, I mean that it will become 5 here, and then if I make it 5 here, then here it should be 6, but I don't have an index number 6 here. The maximum index number is 5, and it finishes with 15. So it means to overcome this error, I need to make it my array.length -1. And that completes our code. So now let's deploy it. Let's get the array 12, as you can see it's here, remove in the first unorderly way and call it. You can see 12 is removed, but 15 has came to the middle of the array, so order is broken. So now let's delete this contract, deploy it again. Let's get the array 12 is here, so now let's remove it. Now let's get the array. You see the order is protected, number 12 is removed. So that's how we can use for loop to remove a specific element from an array. And see you next time. Bye bye.